Hello everyone, I'm Elliott Barry, Group Environment Manager for McLaren Construction. The spaces we create and the land we build on are connected. The communities and the habitats we work alongside must be protected, and our activities should impact on these as little as possible. Our environmental management process gives us a structured approach to managing the aspects and impacts of our business. At McLaren, our in-house environmental advisory team are experienced and passionate about all things concerned with the protection of the natural resource around the land, sea, air, ecology, biodiversity, and climate adaptation. The team provides a comprehensive approach from concept to completion, and we work closely with our project teams and supply chain to achieve effective results. Our priorities are impact reduction, protecting the places we operate in, and achieving our clients' needs. At McLaren, we focus on awareness, protection, and enhancement. Awareness and accounting for our potential impact, protection of the immediate habitats we operate in, and enhancement, going the extra mile to find new solutions and achieve our clients' expectations. Constructing these great buildings as a true build partner is never at the expense of the environment. We take our duty to be accountable for our operations seriously and have developed an accurate system to collect reliable data and apply the best available practices. We use a wide range of technical expertise, experience, legislative knowledge, and stakeholder engagement to achieve the best outcomes for the environment. Those capabilities not only ensure timely delivery, but lead to a collaborative approach that is mindful of our neighbouring communities and wildlife. Through our diligence and forward thinking, McLaren are proud of our strong track record in the protection of the environment. Keeping up to date with constantly changing market and regulations is a challenge we tackle head on. Our systems ensure that our site teams and supply chain have the training they need when they need it. Operating in a fast-changing world requires an agile mindset. At McLaren, we think ahead, anticipating challenges and trialling new ideas and methods to better achieve our goals, such as trialling new water quality monitoring equipment to give us a real-time awareness. We are ready to tackle our climate change obligations and bring in stronger controls to manage water, waste, air quality, and biodiversity. Our commitment to ensuring the environment we operate in is not adversely affected by our presence or operations is meaningful and steadfast. We look forward to continuing our work supporting the environment around us all. Thank you.